What's going on, everyone? Wee Man here. I got a request to do a review on the VGA cable for Xbox 360, which I have right here. So I am going to do that, so sit back and enjoy. Okay, so this is really good if you do not have an HD TV, because if you hook this up to your monitor, you do get HD on a PC monitor. So that's always good. You get a better picture quality and you will notice a difference. So I'd highly recommend that. Now you can get this product from most stores. It is usually $39.99. I got mine from Best Buy, so it's a pretty decent deal. I'd say it's definitely worth it if you don't have an HD TV, and even if you do, some HD TVs have the hookup on the back for VGA, and you can use it if you want. Although I don't know if it makes that much of a difference on there, since you have the HD hookups too. So your choice, but if you want to use it on your PC monitor, I'd highly recommend it. Now it just hooks up with the standard VGA input right there. You can see. You can enjoy your 360 games in high definition brilliance on your PC monitor. The video output, you can have it. The video output in 480p, 720p, or 1080i. So 1080i is very good. It doesn't do 1080p, but between 1080i and 1080p, there's not too much of a difference. You have Dolby Digital 5.1 surround, which these come with the cable. It's a Y right here. So you've got your video with the VGA and the audio with the red and white cords. And then just the standard Xbox hookup on the other end. So that's what you get. And it's got an 8-foot sheared cable. So a very nice cable, and it's longer than my arm span, so very nice cable. Now the only downside I would have to say about this is you need to have some stereo system or something nearby that you can hook the red and white sound into, unless you have that on your monitor, which I don't know if any monitors do, unless you've got a little HD TV that doubles as a PC monitor. But yeah, so that's the only downside you need to have, and it's like between your monitor and your speakers, it's not that long, so they need to be pretty close. So that is the only downside I would have to say about this. So I'm going to hook it up for you guys, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I've just got it hooked up to the VGA input on my monitor here. There's my monitor. And it's just hooked up right to the back of the 360 through the normal hookup right there. So I'm booting this up now so you guys can see. I do not have the audio hooked up because my stereo is not close enough, but all you need to really see is the video here, and you can see that it is good. And this is my PC monitor. Over there is my TV. So this is my PC monitor here. I'll just show you guys the settings here real quick. So I'll go into my Xbox settings. Then we'll go to console settings, display, and the screen resolution right now is at 1680 by 1050. The different resolutions that you can have they start at 640 by 480, 848 by 480, 1024 by 768, and so on down here. Go through that so you guys can see quick. 1920 by 1080 is the highest that it goes. So we'll switch it to 1920 by 1080 here and see how that looks, which is not very good for my monitor anyways. So I'll go back to 1680 by 1050, and we'll keep those. So as you can see here, it's pretty nice. I definitely recommend getting this product. It looks very nice on your PC monitor if you do not have an HD TV. And again, this product is $39.95. So if you do want HD, I'd highly recommend going to get this. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you again in the next video.